Ziploc sandwich bags, easy open tabs, are an excellent choice for anyone seeking convenient and reliable food storage solutions. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that these bags are a worthwhile addition to your kitchen pantry. The Ziploc brand has built a strong reputation for producing high-quality products, and these sandwich bags are no exception. Made from durable plastic, they offer a sturdy and reliable option for storing and preserving your food. One of the standout features of these bags is their easy open tabs. Unlike some other products on the market, Ziploc sandwich bags are designed with convenience in mind. The tabs make it effortless to open and close the bags, ensuring quick and hassle-free access to your sandwiches or other food items. With a capacity of 670 milliliters, these bags offer ample space for storing your sandwiches or other snacks. The rectangular shape provides a practical and space-efficient,